So we've talked about current and potential difference. There's actually two types of potential difference and two types of current, and that is direct versus alternating potential difference, or direct versus alternating current. And essentially what that might look like on a graph is if you have a direct potential difference, what that means is if on a graph you have a positive potential difference and a negative potential difference, then for direct potential difference, the polarity never changes. So it would look something like this, or potentially it could look something like this. But the idea is that whatever the potential difference is, whatever the magnitude of it is, it never switches from positive to negative or vice versa. So let's keep it positive like that. So this is direct current or direct potential difference. We'll just call it DC. For alternating current or alternating potential difference then is basically the opposite. And what happens is that the potential difference does switch polarity. Okay, so this would be equal in terms of the maximum amplitude of the voltage that you reach. But essentially what you can see here is it goes from positive over here to negative down here and vice versa. It continuously switches polarity. Okay, so that's the key difference between alternating and direct current or potential difference. And one last thing which we're going to add is that when you look at mains electricity is a form of alternating potential difference or alternating current. And so mains electricity, we can say, has a frequency of 50 Hertz and a voltage of 230 volts. And if you're wondering where this frequency comes from, well, if you look at our video on waves, we talked about frequency. And when you have alternating potential difference, it does look very much like a wave. So you can also have the frequency of your alternating current or alternating potential difference. Hopefully that makes sense, and I'll see you in the next one. I lied, there is actually a quiz, so feel free to pause the video and have a go at some of the questions. Explain the difference between direct and alternating potential difference, and so hopefully everyone got this one correct. Alternating potential difference changes polarity, direct potential difference stays in the same polarity. Question number 2, what is the frequency and voltage of mains electricity? So we mentioned it at the end there. The frequency is 50 Hertz, and the voltage or the potential difference of mains electricity, that's the electricity you plug into, the electricity that goes into your homes. This is always at 230 volts. Okay, so now I will see you in the next video.